Okay, guys, so welcome back to my channel. So, these are just some random clips that I put together just to kind of give you guys some insight on what I've been doing. Now, I do have some projects coming up that involve a sewing machine, uh, sparkles, glitter. What are those little things called? Sequins. I'm going to start a series, if the Lord allows. I'm going to start a series where I am sewing together beautiful garments. Okay, guys. So be expecting that. Um, I've been watching some tutorials on how to, increase my sewing skills. And I'm not going to let this $400 sewing machine go to waste. Like, I'm going to get some skills, master some skills, just like I did everything else. You look on YouTube, how to do nails. Um, Thanks to Young Nails, I feel like I've mastered that and a few others, but mainly Young Nails. I like their teaching technique. So like if you want to learn how to draw, you can look on YouTube, learn how to draw. I've learned how to speak a little Espanol, a little Spanish, thanks to YouTube. Um, and doing hair. Now I've always known how to do braids, thanks to my sister, but YouTube will kind of show you different styles of braids. So, yeah, everything you need is on YouTube, y'all. Everything you need is on YouTube. So, what the projects are coming up is just me expressing myself creatively with my sewing machine. So, guys, I also wanted to say that I have lived a very full life. I mean, God saved me when I was 24. And, of course, we had some hiccups through there or whatever. But, like, you name it, I pretty much either done it or been around somebody who did do it or done it twice. Like, I've lived a good life, if I do say so myself. So, I am in a period now where I realize that it's not in the amount of people you have around you, but it's in you being able to um, appreciate God's presence in your life. You being able to appreciate what God is, the little things that God is doing in your life. Because the little things are big things. Just like the Bible says, it is the little foxes that destroy the vine. Things that eat away at you. It's the little things that can get on your nerves and gnaw away at your peace. Well, it's the little things that bring joy and blessings and, stuff like that. So if that's not the content, if you have to have, drama filled content or um lustful, like just what I don't know. I don't know what, what people are looking for. But mine, the Lord has led me beside still waters, and my life is very peaceful and simple. Okay. So if that's not the content you're looking for, then you might want to exit stage left and go to but I appreciate you guys being here for whatever reason. And yeah, I mean, I've raised 3 kids, like, come on. Now they good and grown and got their own lives and yeah. So now I'm just chilling. I'm just chilling. I enjoy my husband's company. He enjoys mine. I'm working and minding my business. Okay. And when I feel like it, I pick this camera up and will document myself because I believe that, like, I don't know, let's say 40 years from now, when I'm, gray and I ain't gonna say on a walker, I ain't gonna put that out there, but 40 years from now, whatever I'm doing, I want to be able to show my granddaughter, my grandson, I want to be able to show them like this is how grandma was. Like this was my journey back then. My grandmother right now, the best she can do is show me pictures and tell me stories, but there's nothing like this generation now that where y'all got videos, like everything is documented. So that's my sole purpose for, you know, it would be nice if I could make money off YouTube, but for the most part, I just want to have um yeah, these are so pretty. Again, that goes back to what I have coming up with my sewing machine. Yeah. These are gorgeous. Each dress, some people will say, well, this dress look just like that dress. But no, each dress looks like it's telling a different story. It's giving a different vibe. And I just feel so inspired just looking at them. And that's my hair, y'all.